11th of November, and I'm going to do another update on the Polkadot trade. Now, 1 month ago, October 11th, I sent out messages to my friends, and people have asked me what to buy, and I suggested to buy Polkadot at $4.18. Then posted that on an Instagram page, and now I'm going to keep an update of this trade for people who've done the trade, and for future people who get inside on the DOT ecosystem, and to talk about DOT and try and get a message out to a bigger audience. Because currently DOT is not that popular as it should be in the crypto sphere, and some other blockchains have surpassed it when I think it should not be the case. I believe that Polkadot, one of the few tokens out there which stick to the principles of what crypto is about, and that's decentralization. Anyway, today we're going to have a look at first on the price, and we'll do the prices. That's what most people are interested to. Currently at 527. Now, a lot of people in the DOT community, if you have a look at the unofficial Telegram channels, are quite excited about $5.20 or $5.27, which we are currently at. However, with Bitcoin being $80,000, I don't think this is anything to get excited about. We look on the daily chart. See, you've just made a reasonable rise out of this area here, broken one of the first resistances around the $5, and now we're looking to get up to the next range of resistances. Now, the big one is the one here, and coincides with the recent top here in March, where a lot of the ecosystem had a little bull run when BTC went to 74k, and it coincides with this little fall down in July 21, when there was a sudden dump in crypto. For us to be really bullish, we need to get above this area, and then we can talk about getting to our targets. First, the all-time high around 55, and next the $100, which is the long-term target. Both aren't easy because DOT was inflationary, more so than it is now, and to get to that level, it's going to have to actually have a higher market cap than it did before. Said that there's nothing to get excited about currently for Polkadot, as $5.25 is, for me, a very low price, putting Polkadot in 17th in the rankings when it should be top 5. So the main news today is Cardano. As you can see, it's up 45% today. From rumours that Charles Hodgkinson is going to be an advisor for crypto for the Trump Administration. This, I think, has helped Polkadot go up, because if you know anything history about Ethereum, him and Polkadot founder Gavin Wood were instrumental in the rise of Ethereum, and then they both left to start their own projects, Cardano and Polkadot. And since both were made in 2020, they have been moving pretty similar together. You will notice that both charts are rather similar. This is a Polkadot, and if you look at Cardano, it's pretty similar. However, at $3, Cardano did reach 100 billion market cap, which was my target for Polkadot at the time, 3 years ago. It only reached around about 55 market cap. So Cardano kind of got to where I thought it was a good sell anyway. 100 billion for me, for crypto projects, is a reasonable exit. Anyway, in their history, they moved together. They even have a collaboration currently, Polkadot and Cardano, and there's still pretty good communications between Charles Hodgkinson and Gavin Wood. And two of the few people in crypto actually have core principles of decentralization and have values for what crypto should be. Not about memes, not about I don't know, AI. It's about decentralization. It's about Web3. It's about having a decentralized internet and YouTube, things like that. And they both have that. They just want to build a platform which apps in the future can build on. So I think such a news for ADA is good news for Polkadot. So with this news and the release of the hyper bridge and some a little bit of a rise in adoption and usage of some Polkadot dApps, with the news of Cardano, there's a chance for some decent increase in the Polkadot price to get up to that base, to get up to the base of $12, because currently $5.25 is nothing to be good about with Bitcoin at 80k, because any kind of retracement in Bitcoin would lead to getting back to $4 or even less. So we need to first get to this $12 level, which if we can get to 6 soon, then it's a possibility, because when Polkadot was at $3, this looked far, far away. So I would say let's watch for this. Of course, we could have waited to get to $12, but as getting at 4 is a 3x, and I've been in trade 15 years. If you can take 3x out of any trade, you're doing pretty good. So that's what we got in early at $4.80 and didn't wait for $12. It's a risk reward, but I did this for Polkadot because I believe in its core fundamental values, the people in the company. It's a genuine project, and it won't just suddenly fall in just overnight. I hope so. It's less likely. Thank you for listening, and I'll keep you posted tomorrow.